Marco, and in this video we're going to talk about what is NotCoin. But before we talk about that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So what is it? NotCoin is a popular Telegram-based game initially built on tap-to-earn model, allowing users to earn in-game rewards by tapping on a gold coin image. The game developed by Open Builders has transitioned to an explore-to-earn model after all coins enter circulation. So you can see at the moment, it used to be a tap to earn a mechanism, and now it's explore to earn mechanism. So the way to get money, you wait for airdrops, for special events inside the application. And yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it about what it is. Now, this makes no sense at the moment because this is what it used to be. But we know that NotCoin plays a key role within ecosystem, specifically in driving the development and adaptation of the decentralized applications. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.